Picture this. It's 10:30 p.m. in a quiet American suburb. The house is finally still. You're in your bedroom, scrolling through your phone, telling yourself you'll fall asleep in 2 minutes. Meanwhile, your hips feel tight, your shoulders feel stiff, and tomorrow morning, you already know you'll wake up with that same, "why am I moving like a rusty door hinge" feeling? But here's something most people don't realize. Just 10 to 12 minutes of the right movements before bed can make your body feel noticeably lighter the next morning. Not a workout, not yoga poses that require flexibility, just gentle mobility habits backed by research from places like Harvard Health, Cleveland Clinic, and the American College of Sports Medicine. Tonight, I'll show you 5 simple bedtime movements American adults can start doing instantly. Movements that help reduce common stiffness, ease tension, and support smoother movement the next day. No supplements, no equipment, not even a mat. Let's get into it.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm just someone who's obsessed with digging into trustworthy health research and translating it into simple, real-life routines. Everything you hear today is based on credible sources like Harvard, NIH, and Cleveland Clinic, but explained in plain, everyday English. If your body has been feeling stiff, sluggish, or older than your age, these nightly habits might be exactly what you need.
This is a gentle way to get rid of that tight upper back feeling we all carry after hours of phone use or sitting at a desk. Stand or sit on the edge of your bed. Reach both arms forward like you're trying to hug a giant beach ball. Then round your upper back slightly and let your shoulders melt forward. According to Harvard Health's mobility research, gentle rounding of the upper back helps loosen the muscles between the shoulder blades, the same muscles that tighten during screen time and stress. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds while breathing deeply. This is not about flexibility. It's about telling your nervous system, "Hey, we're safe. You can let go now."
Lie on your side with your knees slightly bent. Slowly roll your top knee forward and backward like a tiny swinging gate. This simple movement is inspired by mobility drills used by physical therapists. The Cleveland Clinic notes that gentle hip rotation helps reduce the stiffness that builds from long hours of sitting, which most Americans do more than 9 hours a day on average, according to the CDC. Think of your hip joint like a jar lid that hasn't been opened in a while. A small twist helps it loosen. You're doing the same thing here, but with zero strain. 15 slow rolls each side. No forcing, no stretching, just motion.
This is a softer version of the cat-cow movement, something the ACSM recommends for spinal mobility. Start on your hands and knees on your bed or carpet, but instead of arching and rounding dramatically, think small and gentle. Sweep your lower back up, then let it sink down. Imagine you're moving like slow honey, thick, smooth, and unhurried. Researchers from the NIH found that gentle spinal motion before sleep may help relax the muscles lining the spine, which can calm restlessness and reduce morning stiffness. 30 to 40 seconds is enough. You're essentially oiling the hinges of your spine before resting. By the way, if you're finding these movements helpful so far, tap that like button. It helps the video reach more people who might need it. And if you enjoy simple, science-backed health tips like this, consider subscribing. We've got more coming that you definitely won't want to miss. Quick reminder, these are gentle, everyday mobility ideas based on reputable sources. They're meant for general wellness, not medical treatment. If you're dealing with pain, injuries, or any health conditions, it's always a good idea to check with a licensed healthcare provider before trying new movements. Sit with your legs stretched out on the bed. Turn your ankles inward, then outward, slowly, like windshield wipers moving across a quiet car on a rainy night. Why this one? Because tight or stiff ankles often show up as knee or lower back discomfort. The American Orthopedic Foot and Ankle Society explains that reduced ankle mobility can change the way we walk, climb stairs, and even stand from a chair. This tiny movement improves the communication between your feet and your brain, something called proprioception. Do 20 slow wipers. You'll be surprised how relaxing it feels. Fun fact, ankle mobility is one of the strongest predictors of balance in adults over 40. Just a minute of movement helps keep that skill alive.
You've heard of legs up the wall, but this is a more comfortable, more realistic version for everyday people. Lie on your back, place a pillow under your calves so your feet rise slightly above your chest. Even just 6 to 8 inches is enough. According to Cleveland Clinic, gentle elevation can help reduce pressure in the legs and improve overall comfort by supporting natural fluid movement. You're not draining inflammation or changing blood chemistry, nothing dramatic like that. You're simply giving your legs a break from gravity after a long day of standing, sitting, walking, and carrying your body around. Hold for 1 to 3 minutes. Breathe slowly. Your body will understand instantly that it's time to wind down.
Quick check-in. What time do you usually go to bed? And do you move around before sleeping? Drop your answer below. I love reading your habits, and it helps others learn too. All right, back to the movements. Let's quickly recap tonight's 5 gentle bedtime movements. 5. Bedside reach and release. A simple upper back decompressor for screen time tension. 4. Side lying hip roll. Loosens the hips after long sitting hours. 3. Slow cat sweep. Smooth, calming motion for spinal mobility. 2. Ankle windshield wipers. Supports balance, walking comfort, and ankle mobility. And 1. Pillow-supported leg elevation. Helps your legs relax and signals your body to slow down. These movements are safe, gentle, and backed by reputable sources like Harvard Health, Cleveland Clinic, the CDC, and ACSM. And the best part? They take less time than brushing your teeth and checking your notifications combined. If tonight's routine felt helpful, let me know in the comments which movement you're trying first. And if you want more simple, science-backed health habits you can actually follow, go ahead and subscribe. We post new videos regularly, and each one is designed to make everyday health feel more doable. One small habit at a time. Sleep well, move well, and I'll see you in the next video. Disclaimer: this video is for general informational purposes only. Always check with a qualified healthcare provider before making changes to your routine, especially if you have any health concerns or medical conditions.